Dear student, today we are going to discuss 9th standard maths. Already in the previous video we discussed about it is exercise number 1.1. Now we are going to discuss exercise number 1.2. So regarding the exercise 1.2. Now before going to discuss the exercise number 1.2, first we want to know, and first one it is called empty set or it is null set. Empty set or it is null set means if a set is defined by it is A, a set containing of it is no it is element. A set containing it is no element. For example, a set have elements or it is x such that x's belongs to the natural number and 3 less than it is x less than it is 4. If any of it is natural number, between of it is 3 and it is 4, there is no any possibility of numbers between of it is 3 and 4. No numbers are possible in the natural numbers between of it is 3 and 4. Therefore, no number is called empty. So one of the example for it is empty set is called a number belongs to natural number and that number is between of it is 3 and it is 4. There is no it is the natural number. In the number it is between of it is 3 and 4. There is an integer number. So therefore it is there is no integers in the between of it is 3 and 4. Therefore this is one of the example for it is empty set. Empty set. Now next one is called it is singleton set. Singleton set it is called a set containing only one element. Only one element. For example, it is write a name. Write a name is called it is Ravi. A person name is called it is Ravi. It is in the set it is only one element. It is only one person name is declared here. Therefore it is called only one element. Therefore it is called a singleton set. Another it is example, a set containing it is 2 and 2 is called what? Even prime. The even prime number. Set of all it is even prime number. So we know the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 etc. It is called prime numbers. In the among it is prime numbers, only one number is called even prime. That is called it is 2. So set of all it is even prime number. It is example for best example for it is singleton set. And next one is called it is finite one. So now a set containing it is elements or it is finite 2, 4, 6, 8, it is 10. A set containing of it is number of elements are it is number of elements are it is countable one. The set containing of it is countable number of it is element and the set is called it is finite set. And next one is called infinite set. A set containing of it is number of elements are it is uncountable number of elements. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. In the set it is A. The elements are it is not countable one. It is incountable number of elements in the set. It is called it is infinite set. Infinite set. So it is called finite. It is countable number of elements in a set is called it is finite. Uncountable number of elements in the set is called it is infinite set. Now next one is called cardinal number. Suppose to be we can take a set it is 3, 6, 9, it is 12. So in the set it is A. Now number of elements defined by it is n of it is A. Number of it is element in the set it is A, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. And the number of element in the set A is defined by it is cardinal number of it is set A. Cardinal number means it is what? How many number of element in the set is called? It is cardinal number. So therefore it is a number of set it is A containing of it is 4 element and that is defined by cardinal number of it is A or n of A equal to number of element in the set is called it is 4, that is called it is a cardinal number. Now come to the exercise number it is 1.2, question number it is 1. See the question number it is 1. Find the cardinal number of the following it is sets. First subdivision, capital M is a set defined by that is equal to P, Q, R, S, T and it is U. So now it is a set it is M, the containing it is elements are it is P, Q, R, S, T and it is U. So in the set it is M, containing it is how many number of elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore n of it is M, that is equal to 6 elements. Therefore cardinal number of it is M, that is equal to 6. Therefore it is n of it is M, that is equal to 6. First question. Okay, move to the next second question. P is equal to x such that x is such that x that is equal to 3n plus it is 2 n belongs to second question. P is equal to x such that x is such that x is equal to 3n plus it is 2, n belongs to the whole number and x is less than it is 15. Now we have to give that this n values are belongs to this whole number and consider this it is equation x is equal to 3n plus it is 2. Now we want to put it is n values are from it is whole number. We know whole number start from it is 0 to 1 etc. First we put a n value equal to 0, that implies it is x is equal to 3 into n value equal to 0 plus it is 2 is equal to 0 plus it is 2, it is 2. Then put n equal to 1, that implies it is x is equal to 3 into 1 plus it is 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 and it is equal to 5. Then put n that is equal to 2, that implies it is x is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to multiply it is 6 plus it is 2, that is equal to 8. And put n that is equal to 3, that implies it is x is equal to 3 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus it is 2, that is equal to 11. Put n that is equal to 4, that implies it is x is equal to 3 into n value equal to 4 plus it is 2 and it is equal to 12 plus it is 2 is equal to 14. So now we want to collect the numbers x values is less than it is for 15 only. Therefore it is 14 less than or 15. No need to put us again it is n value equal to 5 etc. Now what is the set it is a P. The elements of it is set P, that is called it is x values are it is 2, x values are 5, x values are it is 8 and x value equal to 11, x value equal to 14. From the set it is P, that is equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, it is 14 and this called it is set it is a P. Now what we want to find? Find out as it is a cardinal number. Therefore n of it is P, that is equal to number of element in the set P equal to 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore 5 elements in the set. Therefore cardinal number of it is capital it is set P equal to number of elements it is called it is 5. Okay, next one. Question number it is 3. The Q is a set that is equal to y such that y equal to 4 by 3n. N it is belongs to the natural number it is capital it is n and then condition that it is 2 less than n less than or equal to it is 5. So that we want to put n values are it is n values are it is 2, 3, 4, it is 5 is a numbers. Now just it is omitting of it is number it is 2 and we have to include a number it is 5. Therefore it is the numbers are 3, 4, it is 5. Only for it is n. So the n value we want to substitute 3, 4, 5. In this equation it is y equal to 4 by 3n. Therefore y is equal to 4 by it is 3n. Now we want to first put it is n value equal to what? It is 3. Therefore 3, that implies it is y is equal to 4 by 3 into 3, that is equal to 4 by it is 9. Then put n value equal to 4, that implies it is y equal to 4 by it is 3 into 4, that is equal to 4 by it is 12, that is equal to 1 by 3. Then put n value equal to next one is called what? It is 5. 5 that implies it is y equal to 4 by it is 3 into it is 5, that is equal to 4 by it is 15. Therefore what are the elements of it is y? Y one of the number is called 4 by 9, y one of the number is called it is 1 by 3, y another number is called 4 by 15. Therefore it is set is defined by it is q, that is equal to it is one of first number is called 4 by it is 9, second number is called 1 by it is 3, third number is called 1 by it is 4 by it is 15. Therefore in the set it is capital it is a q and number of it is element in the q is defined by it is 3. Therefore because it is number of it is elements in the set only it is 3. Therefore it is cardinal number of it is q, that is equal to 3. Next one. Subdivision number it is 4. The capital R set defined by x such that x is an integers, x belongs to integer, capital is defined by it is integer and the condition that minus 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to it is 5. Now what is that? It is x z is called it is integer. Integer we know. Integer set that is equal to etc. minus 2 minus it is 1 0 1 2 it is etc. And this is called it is the set it is capital it is called integer set. In this integer set just we are collecting the elements from it is minus 5 to plus 5. Therefore we want to substitute the numbers x values are minus 5 to plus 5. Minus it is 5, minus it is 4, minus it is 3. then it is minus 2, minus it is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is 5. And this numbers are it is in the set. Therefore, it is capital it is all is equal to minus it is 5, minus it is 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 5. Therefore, it is the integers are and from minus 5 to plus 5. Now, just it is write a number of it is elements of in the set capital it is A defined by how many elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore, totally it is 11 numbers. Therefore, cardinal number of it is capital it is R defined by it is 11. Come to next subdivision number 5. The set XZ is equal to set of all leap years between of 1882 and 1906. So now we know the leap years means it is the leap year exactly divisible by it is 4, that year defined by it is leap year. Now we want to verify either 1882 either it is leap year or not. First we want to verify. So 1000 it is 800 it is 82, just we want to divide by it is 4. 4 time it is 16, remainder it is 2, just it is next number is called it is 28. 7 time it is 20, it is 8. The next number is called it is 2. Therefore, 2 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, it is not exactly divisible. Therefore, the number it is 1800 it is 82 is not it is divisible by it is 4. Supposed to be we can add a number it is add by it is 2. We can get number is called 1884 and just it is divided by it is 4 and 4 times it is 16, remainder it is 2, 8. And 7 time it is 28, the next number is called it is what 0 and next number is called it is 4, 1 time it is 4, remainder will get 0. Therefore, the remainder it is to be it is 0, therefore the number 1884 exactly divisible by it is 4, therefore it is 1884 is called it is leap year. So in the between of the given it is interval, the first leap year is called 1884. Therefore, set it is yes it is containing first it is leap year is called 18 it is 84. Just add by it is 4 in this year, 18 it is 88. Then add by it is 4 in this year, 18 it is 90 it is 2. And then it is add by it is 4 this year, 18 it is 96. Add by it is 4 in this year, it is 90 0 and then it is 19 not it is 4. Therefore, between of it is the interval of it is 1882 and 19 not it is 6. The number of it is leap years are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, it is set of all it is elements. Number of it is elements set it is S that is equal to 6. Therefore, cardinal number of the set S that is equal to 6. The next model, the question number it is 2 in the exercise number 1.2. Identify the following it is sets as finite or it is infinite. Just we want to verify either given it is following it is questions either it is finite or it is not finite. And first one it is set it is x defined by it is what? Set of all it is all the districts in the Tamil Nadu. So how many districts in Tamil Nadu? It is countable only. So it is countable only. Therefore, it is number of it is elements are it is countable and x is defined by it is finite. Finite it is set. Countable number of it is districts in Tamil Nadu. Therefore, it is defined by it is finite set. Second one, set of all it is all the straight lines passing through a point. Second it is subdivision. In the second subdivision, consider a point. It is 1 and passing through the point. A straight line. How many straight lines passing through the point? It is infinite number of it is straight line we can draw and passes through it is a point. Therefore, how many lines are it possible to draw in a point? It is many number of it is lines are possible. It is called infinite number of it is element lines are possible. Therefore, the set it is y is defined by it is infinite set. Now come to it is third, it is 1. A set A defines x's that x's belongs to it is capital it is z and it is x's less than it is 5. And set it is A is defined by it is what? It is integers. We know what is the meaning by integers, etc. Minus is 2, minus is 1, 0, 1, 2 it is 3, 4, 5, 6 it is etc. It's called integer. We not include the number, it is 5. Therefore it is previous numbers are 5. All the numbers are it is in the set, it is capital, it is A. Therefore A is defined by etc. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, it is 4. Therefore the set A containing its elements are infinite number of it is. Okay, see the next fourth subdivision, capital B, that is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, and x belongs to the natural number. So the fourth subdivision, it is capital B. Set is defined by it is capital B, and one of this equation is given x square minus it is 5x plus it is 6 equal to 0, and x belongs to it is capital M. Now we want to factorize this equation and take a number, it is called 6, and factorize, we want to get a number, is called minus 5. What are the possible to multiply? It is 2 into 3, and both numbers are it is minus. Minus into minus plus it is 6, and adding these two numbers will get it is minus 5. So therefore we can write x square minus 5x plus it is 6 equal to 0, as it is x minus 2 is called one factor. Another factor is called x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 2 equal to 0, and it is x minus 3 that is equal to 0, x that is equal to plus 2, and x that is equal to 3. Therefore, the two elements x equal to 3 in the set it is capital A. Therefore, capital A have the elements are 2 and 3, because if you find the value of the expression, only the roots of the equations are 2 and 3 only. Therefore, capital B containing it is 2 elements. Therefore, what is the B? B containing of only it is 2 elements. It is countable number of element. Therefore, it is B is called it is finite. It is a set. B is called finite set. The next equivalent set, first one. Let us consider set A have the elements are A, B, C. Then another set defined by it is B set containing elements are 2, 4, 6. Now comparing of it is two set capital A and B. A containing elements are it is ABC. B containing elements are 2, 4, 6. And here it is n of it is A. Number of element in the set A have it is 3. Number of element in the set B have it is 3 also. Number of elements are 3, therefore it is number of elements of the two set A and B are the same. That two sets are defined by it is equivalent set. And next one is called it is equal set. Again it is considered it is, let it is set A that is equal to it is A, B, C. Again another set defined by it is B equal to B, C, it is A. In the two set it is A and B. Elements of it is A have it is elements are ABC, and also it is element in the B capital set it is B containing of elements are it is same ABC. Same element, same number of it is element in the set A and B. That two sets are defined by it is equal sets. That is defined by it is equal sets. Equivalent A it is equivalent to it is B. A is it is equal to B. The same it is number of it is set A and B are same, and also it is elements also it is same, it is A and B. That two sets are defined by it is equal sets. Let us consider it is A is equal to 2, 4, 6, it is 8. Then set B is considered it is elements are defined by it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it is 8. Now what are the elements of it is set A is also in the set it is B, and comparing the two set B set only it is biggest one, because it is number of elements in the set A equal to it is 4, number of the elements in the set B equal to 8. N of it is A is equal to 4, N of it is B is equal to 8, N of it is A is less than it is N of it is B. Therefore it is the number of elements or it is comparatively it is A is smallest one. In that case we can say that A is a subset of it is B. A is a subset of it is B. Now next property subset. The set it is A defined by it is 1, 2, 3, it is 4, it is 5. Then set B defined by it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it is the elements of it is set A is also in the set B, and also it is containing it is more or less all elements are in the set A are in the set B, and that is defined by it is A is it is proper it is subset of it is proper subset of it is B. A is proper subset of it is B. That is called proper subset. Now next comes to next one, it is called disjoint set. Let it is A set containing elements are it is defined by it is 1, 2, it is 3. Then set B elements are defined by it is 4, 5, it is 6. Now comparing of it is set A and set B. Set A elements are it is 1, 2, 3. Set B elements are 4, 5, 6. And in these two sets, no elements are it is common. No elements are common. Supposed to be we can take set C have elements are it is 2 and 3. Therefore it is set A and set C are the common elements are 2 and it is 3. 2 and 3 are common. Therefore these two sets are some of the elements are common, and but it is set A and set B no elements are common, and set A and set B are defined by it is disjoint set. That is called what? Supposed to be we can say that A set, another one is called it is B set. 1, 2, 3 set A containing elements, 4, 5 it is 6 B containing elements, 2 are its disjoint sets. And suppose comparing of A and C, A set and it is B set, A set and C set, A containing element 1, 2, 3, 1 it is 2 and 3, and C containing elements are 2, 3, and it is common for A and B, A and C. Therefore, some of the elements are common, or some of the places are it is common, and that set is defined by it is overlapping set. Any elements are common, that is defined by it is overlapping set, or no elements are it is common, that two sets are defined by it is disjoint sets. Now the next one is called overlapping set. It is called what? It is some of the elements are it is common, and that is defined by it is overlapping set. It is called power set. Let us consider it is set A is equal to A comma B. A comma B. Now it is right as it is subsets of it is capital A. The capital A subsets are defined by first set is called empty, and set it is A is called it is one of the set. Set it is B is called another set. The same set it is A comma B is called another subset. Subset of it is capital A that is equal to A comma B. The first subset is called it is empty set. Second set it is called singleton set A. Singleton set is B. Same it is set it is A comma B. It is called subsets of it is set it is A. Now write as it is power set of it is A defined by P of A, that is equal to within the set bracket write all the subset of A in the set bracket is called power set of A. First one is called it is empty. First one is called empty. Second one is called singleton set A. Third one is called singleton set it is B. Fourth one is called it is A comma it is B. A comma B in the set. Now comparing of this it is set is called power set. Now find out as it is number of this power set of it is A. Number of power set of A, that is elements are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore it is 4. 4 we can write as it is 2 power it is 2. Therefore it is number of power set of A defined by 2 power 2 in general form equal to 2 power it is n of it is A. How many elements of it is set A? 2. So how many elements of set A? 2. The number of elements A equal to 2. Therefore, n of it is n of P of it is A is defined by it is n of 2 power it is n of A. That is formula to find out as it is number of elements the power set equal to 2 power it is n of A. The formula for it is a power set. Power set defined by what? All the subsets are right in the within the it is set bracket that is defined by it is power set. And find out as number of it is power set defined by it is 2 power it is n of A. Now come to the question number 3. Which of the following sets are equivalent, or it is unequal, or it is equal it is set? First one it is first subdivision it is set A. Set of all it is vowels of it is English alphabet. Therefore set A containing elements are it is English alphabets. What is it? A, E, I, O, U. So the number of it is elements are it is 5. Now comparing the set it is B. The set B containing the all the letters of it is word it is vowels. Therefore set B containing elements are B, O, W, E comma it is L. So now A and B are attained 2 or it is number of elements are same, but the element wise both are it is different. But it is the number wise it is both are same. N of it is A, that is equal to 5. N of it is B, also it is 5. Both the number of elements are equal. Therefore it is A is equivalent to it is B. Okay, in the same it is question remaining it is 2 subdivisions are it is 3 and 4. Just now come to the question number 4. Identify the following it is sets as it is null set or it is singleton set. Now first one is defined by it is capital it is A. First one defined by it is capital it is A, that is equal to x such that x belongs to the whole number capital natural number is capital N, and such that it is 1 less than x less than it is 2. So elements are it is belongs to it is capital N, and also the numbers are it is between of it is 1 less than x less than 2. We know it is there is no the natural numbers between of it is 1 and 2. No elements are it is said it is 1. We can say simply it is empty. Simply we can say empty. Therefore it is empty set, or we can say it is called null set. Therefore A is it is null set. Now second one. Capital B, the set of all it is even natural numbers which are not divisible by it is 2. The set of all it is even it is natural numbers. Natural numbers, even natural numbers, all the even natural numbers are compulsory divisible by it is 2 only. Even numbers, all the even numbers are it is divisible by 2. No numbers are it is not divisible by it is 2. Therefore, it supposed to be it is we can say it is set of all natural number. So some of the numbers are it is odd numbers, and but it is not divisible by it is 2. Even numbers are all even numbers are divisible by 2 only. But what is given statement? It is not divisible by 2. It is not wrong statement. No elements are not divisible by 2 as even number. Therefore, that is also it is empty. Therefore, it is set B is called it is null set. Then come to it is third one. Third one it is what? C. C have it is only one element, it is 0. So that is called what? It is a singleton set. The set C is called it is a singleton set. Singleton set. And the set D, set of all it is triangles have it is 4 sides. We know it is triangle that 3 sides are it is bounded by 3 sides, and it is called triangle. But no triangle have it is 4 sides. Therefore, that is wrong statement, and that is fourth subdivision. D also we can say it is called null. It is said there is no triangle and have it is a 4 side. It is empty or null set. Okay, 5. State which pair of it is sets, or it is disjoint, or it is overlapping. Disjoint means what? There is no common element in the set A and B. Overlapping means it is some of the elements are it is overlapping. Now look at A set, that what are elements are it is common. F is common, A is common, S is common. So F, A, S elements are common in the set A and B. Therefore we can say that the first one A and B are is called it is overlapping set. Then second, set C defined by x such that is a prime number. N x is greater than it is 2, and D is x is such that x is an even number. So set C is defined by it is prime number, it is greater than it is 2. X is it is greater than 2 means it is that prime numbers are, we know it is what are prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 etc. are called it is prime numbers, and we have the writing of it is prime number more than of it is 2. The numbers are defined by 3, 5, 7, it is what 11, it is etc. are called it is prime numbers. In the set it is capital C. Now come to it is a D set. D is a set such that x is a even prime. So therefore it is D is a set, it is called it is even prime is called only one number. Even prime it is called 2. It is prime number. It is 2 is called it is even prime. Except the 2, remaining all the numbers are odd numbers. Therefore it is only one number, it is called even prime. And now comparing of it is set, it is C and D, and it is infinite set. No elements are common in the set C and set D. Therefore these two sets are defined by it is disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. And similarly we can try the third one as it is homework. Now come to the last one, it is 10th one. First, n of it is a, n of it is a, that is given it is a 4. Then we want to find out as it is number of it is power set of it is a. So we know it is n of it is p of it is a, that is equal to 2 power it is n of it is a. That formula. Now that is equal to number of elements in the set A given it is 4. Therefore 2 power it is 4, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to it is 16. Therefore second one, if it is n of it is a given that is equal to 0. Now we want to find n of it is p of it is a, that we want to find. So we know formula, it is n of it is p of it is a, that is equal to 2 power it is n of it is a. That means it is 2 power it is number of elements in the set, it is element is called 0, and that is equal to any number power is 0, that is called 1. Any number power is 0, that is called 1, and that is called it is n of it is p of it is a. One is called what? This empty set. Every set containing of one of subset is called empty. That set is called it is 1. Okay. Third one, if n of p of a equal to 256, find out as it is n of it is a. We know the formula, n of it is p of it is a, that is equal to 256 given. We know the formula for n of p of a equal to 2 power n of it is a. N of it is a, just we want to factorize it down. 256 factorize 2, 1 time, 2 time it is 8. Again it is factorized by 2, 6 and it is 4. Again factorized by 2 it is 32. Again it is factorized by 2 it is 16. Again factorized by 2 it is 8. Again factorized by it is 2 it is 4. Again factorized by 2 it is 2. Therefore how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore it is 2 power it is 8. Now it is 2, base are it is same, it is 2, therefore index are it is equal. Base are same, index are equal. Therefore n of it is a, that is equal to 8. We want to find out how many elements of it is set a, that is equal to 8. First way it is empty set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, cardinal number of the set, and then it is power set, subset of set, and it is proper subset, and disjoint set, overlapping set, and this it is containing of it is exercise number 1.2, and we discuss some of the sum in the exercise problem, and just remaining it is exercise problem, just try as homework. Thank you one and all.